Hey guys, day 2 of solving multi-step equations. Yesterday we worked back logically. Today we're going to take it and we're going to rewrite the equation and we're going to actually solve it using mathematical processes. So to solve multi-step equations with more than one operation, often called multi-step equations, undo operations by working backward, reverse the usual order of operations. So in this example, solve 5x plus 3 equals 23. So I'm going to work backwards. So I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides first, just like they did. They subtracted 3 and you get 5x equals 20. And at that point, that's when you divide both sides by 5. So we're going to undo the addition or subtraction first, and then we're going to do the multiplication or division. So we're going to go ahead and do a couple problems together, and then I will let you guys go on your own. I'm just looking through real quick. Okay. So solve each equation, check your solution. 5x plus 2 equals 27. So I'm going to work on the same side as my variable, but I'm going to work furthest away. So that means the plus 2, I'm going to subtract 2 to both sides. So I get 5x equals 25. And then I'm going to divide by it's 5 times x. So the opposite of 5 times x is x divided by 5. So it's going to be divided by 5. And I get x equals 25 divided by 5 is 5. So that's good. I'm going to go on to a different one. I'm going to do one with a decimal here. Okay. So 0.6x minus 1.5 equals 1.8. So I'm going to add 1.5 to both sides. They cancel, so I get 0.6x. You could put 0.6, but mathematicians are kind of lazy. So 1.8 plus 1.5 is going to be 3.3. I said 3.3. And then I'm going to divide by 0.6. Divide by 0.6. This 0.6's cancel out. So don't let the decimal throw you off. It's the same thing. So when I divide by 0.6, I actually get 3.3 divided by 0.6 is 5.5. And so that's my final answer. X equals 5.5. I also wanted to look at this one for you guys. We have a fraction times p. So actually what I want to do whenever I see a fraction, I want to multiply by the greatest common denominator. So in this case, 8 is my only denominator, so I'm going to multiply everything by 8. So 8 gets distributed to the 7/8 p. That 8 cancels out, so I have 7p minus 8 times 4 is 32 equals 8 times 10 is 80. So then I'm going to add 32 to both sides. So I get 7p equals 80 plus 32 is 112. So 112 divided by 7. When I divide both sides by 7, p equals 16. And that's my final answer. So for number 7, you're going to multiply by 14 to both sides. But if you notice, so when I multiply by 14 to the right side and to the left side, the only thing that happens is these cancel out on my right side. So it's 14 times 16. 14 times 16 equals 224. And the top is left untouched, so D minus 12. And then I'll let you guys finish that one. Add 12 to both sides. But so number 8, I would multiply everything by 12. And remember, when you multiply the 3n over 12, the 3n doesn't get changed because the 12 will cancel out on the bottom. Number 9, multiply everything by negative 5. Number 10, multiply both sides by negative 2. And then you'll be able to, you'll just have 4b plus 8 equals negative 20. I'm going to let you guys do these ones. Have fun with them and do your best. Any questions, feel free to reach out. But these I'll count these 3 as extra credit. So I'll write this in there. So I'll count these ones as extra credit for you. Hold up. So if you do them, good job. If not, that's okay too. So it's extra credit. Any questions, feel free to reach out. Have a good day.